Hola chicos, welcome to the final video 4. Okay, let's get started. Let's get down to business. Students chose their favorite K-pop groups. Wakala. The choices are the following. Just kidding. Don't get mad. BTS, 17, Twice, and Stray Kids. I knew these two. I think I knew this one. If they're the ones that sing the Cupid song. Pero esta sí no lo conocía. I don't know this one. Use the data in the table to complete the statements. Choose the correct answer from each drop-down menu to complete the sentences. The group or pair groups that represent the mode. This is the one that appears the most. El número más grande or the one that repeats. ¿Cuál es el número más grande? 20, that's true. But there's two of them. So there's going to be two modes. Aquí va a haber dos grupos. So it's going to be BTS and Stray Kids. Because mode is the most, and both of them have the most. So they both win. Los dos son, porque pues los dos tienen más. The percentage of students that chose BTS was... How many chose BTS, chicos? 20, right? Out of how many? What's the total? How can we find that? By adding, correct. The 20 plus 20 plus 15 plus 5, 60. Now, what we can do to find the percentage is divide right away or simplify first, whatever you prefer. Now, if I get 1/3, I know I should get 33. So the percentage is 33%. Now, obviously, that decimal, you have to move it 2 times to the right and add a percentage. So, to be able to find the mode is the one that has the highest numbers. If there's 2, if there's 3, if there's 4 that have the same high number, then all of them are the modes. Simple as that. The percentage, you have to find what you want, BTS, over the total, which was 20 divided by 60, which gave us 33%. 26. Which graph represents the relationship x and y in the equation y equals 5x? Now, we're multiplying by 5, so I can assume 5 times 1, well, that's 5. 5 times 2, that's 10. 5 times 3, 15, and so on, right? Now, x, y, when x is 1, y is 5. So if you multiply 5 times 1, the answer is 5. If you multiply 5 times 2, the answer is 10. Now, which one is multiplying by 5, chicos? I'm pretty sure you can get that one on your own. You should. Well, when x is 1, 5, there should be a point right here, and there isn't. When x is 1, y is 5. When x is 1, y is 5. Okay, that's good. When x is 2, y is 10. Okay, maybe that one. When x is 1, 5. Aquí no está. There's no point here. When x is 1, 5. There's no point here. They mixed it up, and they want to confuse you. So the only one it can be would be this one. 27. How many in total? Okay, chicos. Might get something like this. And what you have to check, the first thing you have to do is, if each one represents one person, how many are these dots in total? How many persons in total if each one of these means one person? So what do? We count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So how many in total? 23. Now, they're going to ask you a bunch of questions, chicos, that you have to check. You have to double check. You have to go back and count. You have to go back and count. You have to check, okay, is it true or not? So, for example, what if they say, this represents the people that have gone to main event, the times that they have gone to main event. Gone to main event. And let's say we checked all the students in 6th grade. So this was their answer, ¿verdad? Well, let's check. No, actually, let's check that the sixth graders for my homeroom. Okay, so there's 23 in total, and these were their answers. So that means one of them has gone 10 times. That means one of them has gone 8 times. That means 4 of them have gone 5 times. That means 5 of them have gone 4 times. That means 5 of them have never gone. So that's what you got to analyze. They might say, you know what? 8 people said that they have gone once or none. Is that true? Well, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's true. What if they say, you know what? 5 people answered that they have gone 2 times. Is that true? 1, 2, 3. No, it's not 5 people. That's 3 people. So this is wrong. And then you can say the highest number is 10. That's true. They can say more than half have gone more than 3 times. So you check, okay, not 3, more than 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, there's 23, and 11 represents the people that have gone more than 3 times. Is this more than half? Well, more than half would have to be 12 people at least, because that would be half. Half of 24 is 12. So it would be good if it was 12 people. But since it's 11, if we double 11, that's 22. That's not half. So this is wrong. Now, we can assume that there's 12 people over here, because 12 plus 11 would be 23. We can say half have gone less than 4 times. And we know that will be true. So all I'm trying to say is, just make sure you know what the total is. You read every single sentence, every answer choice, and just count. If it's true, you count to check if it's true or false. That's basically it. 28. We have to be very careful with 28 because not kind of throws you off. Out of 920 people in the Chivas Stadium, the best stadium in the world, 40% had a membership. So how many did not have a membership? Now, first thing you should do would be, okay, 920 people, that's the total. 40%, that's a percent. And 100. Now, what I don't have is the number of people that do have a membership. Because 40% means membership. So the number I get here are the people that that are members. So 40% do have a membership. So whatever I get here, they do have a membership. But remember, we want they don't have a membership. So first, let's find how many do. That way we can find how many don't. So for this, Wakanda Forever. I can take away the zeros for now. And then 92 times 4. 8. 36. And now the zero I took away. Perfecto. Perfecto. Now, when we divide by 100, how many times does it fit? Fits 3. Then 68. How many times does it fit? 6. 600. How many times does it fit? 0. There you go. Oh, no, I'm sorry. 8. There you go. So we would have 368. Those are the people that do have a membership. Esos son la gente que sí tiene membresía. Those are people that do have the membership. But what do they want, chicos? The ones that don't have a membership. So, what do? 920 minus 368 will give me my answer. Because the rest don't have a membership, but these do have a membership. And these are the total. So my answer are going to be all the non-members. So we borrow 2, that's a 1. We borrow, that's an 11. 5 and 20. So how many are not members? 552. Boom. Now's a good one. Wakanda Forever. Multiply and divide. Taking away the 0 kind of confused me here. But we got their answer. And then that answers the members. So subtract to find the non-members. That was really good. Really, really good. Okay, this one. Which model can be best used to justify why this formula is used for area of a triangle? Why do we do half BH? Okay, well, as you can see, we have parallelogram, parallelogram, and then we have a rectangular prism for some reason. Now, does this explain in triangles? Not really. That one has nothing to do. Do I see triangles? No, just 2 parallelograms stuck to each other. We just see 2 stuck to each other. The only one that kind of explains would be, well, if we were finding area for the parallelogram, that'd be base times height. But if we cut it in half, we would have to find for this triangle, well, that means half base times height. Awesome, right? So whichever seems to explain why the shape became a triangle, that you cut it in half, that's the answer. 30. 30 from 0 to 1, chicos. How many lines do I have? Let's check of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this would be 10. Okay. Now, when you have a decimal, chicos, you put 0.0, right? Está perfecto. So this is one whole number. Meaning, well, these are all decimals in between. It's going by tens. Perfecto. Now, with that said, now you have everything to work with. This point is 0.3, which is also 30%. This is 0.8, which is also 80%. So which is my answers? Well, for now, I do have this one. And that's it for now. Now, how do I say this? That's 3, and then the tens place, so 3 tens. Oh, look at that. Have that one right there. I don't have 2. That doesn't make any sense. 2/5. When you simplify this, chicos, you get 0.4, which, again, has nothing to do with the ones we're doing. And then this would be 80%, not 75. So only 2 it can be would be these. Perfection, right? Now, 31, chicos. 31 is PEMDAS. And just make sure that you do everything that you're asked for. So, inside of parentheses, there's nothing to do. There's just a number. So, no parentheses. Exponent, no, I don't have it. I'm subtracting here, so we don't do that first. Multiplication, division. We do have division. And we do have multiplication. Now, first thing would be this right here. 120 divided by 6. That would be negative 20. And I bring everything else down. So 45 minus negative 20 times 5. Now, once again, we do these first because it's multiplication. We're still at this level. Imagine an elevator. You're going down. This is negative 100. 45 minus negative 100. Because we're subtracting and we have a negative, something's going on. This is weird. So we're going to do KCO. That way we can have an addition problem. So we keep the 45 plus opposite of negative 100, 100, and 145 is my answer. Look at that. It seemed like super hard. Turned out to be super easy. I know, right? 32, even easier. Which description represents an equation? Una ecuación, chicos, means an equal sign. And the only way you can have an equal sign if you have the word is. Now, you got to be careful, though, because if it says is less than, that means you do not have an equal sign. You have one of these, one inequality symbol. So be very careful if there's something like this next to it. A number is less than. I have the word is, but you have it less than or equal to. So do we have an equation, an equal sign? No, we don't. No tenemos. So not this one. Number minus 15 is 48. Woohoo! C, 8 times the number minus 90. 8 times the number minus 90, but there's no equal sign. There's no word is. A number to the 4th power. So, like this, but where's the equal sign? I know, right? There are 84 cats at a cat show. The ratio of the number of large cats to small cats is 5 to 4. Now, first things first. What did they give you first? Large cats. Then they gave you small cats. So what they give you first, the first number and the first thing must be connected, chicos. So when you do this little thing for Wakanda Forever, I don't know why. There we go. So large cats and then small cats. And like I said, chicos, how they give it to you is important. So the 5 is first, large is first, 4 is second, small is second. Then whatever other number they give you, that's what you're going to work with. So there's 84 cats at the cat show. Ratio of the numbers, large cats to small cats. Now, When they give it to you like this, chicos, they don't tell you if it's small. They don't tell you if it's large. That means we're going to have to add a third. And it's going to be total. And, surprise for you, we're going to have peso, pluma, guacala. Ay. There you go. Now, we have large cats, small cats, and the total. So, 5 plus 4, that's 9. And we have 84, which is also the total. So, there we go. Now, how many cats are small cats? So, this is what I'm looking for. And this is what I'm going to do. So, once again, let me put it one more time, chicos. Just without the lines. So, we have 5, 4. This is large. This is small. And then 5 plus 4 is 9. Perfecto. The other number they gave us is the total. We don't know if they're small or large. So we're going to put 84 right here. Now, X goes right here because that's what we're looking for. How many are small cats? So we don't even worry about the large. This is all we want. So 4 times 84 divided by 9. So 84 times 4, 16. 8 times 4 is 32. 33. Awesome. So when we divide it by 9, we're going to have 3, 27. And then we're going to have 6, 6. And then how many times can that go in? That's 7, 63. And we're going to stop right there, chicos. Even though we don't have a finish, well, these numbers are kind of improvised. So we're going to say that this is our answer. Okay? So how many are small cats? 37. Perfecto. So for this one, chicos, when they don't give you the small or large cats, they give you the total. You're going to have to do peso, pluma, guacala, and Peppa Pig, huevito. Okay? 34. The graph shows an original point. What is the location of a new point in quadrant 2? So this is your point, chicos. And it's going to end up over here in quadrant 2. At a horizontal distance. Horizontal distance means it's going to move left or right. But if it's going to move to Q2, that means we're going to we'll move to the left. Now, at a horizontal distance of 3.5 units, which is 3.5 from the original point. So let's jump 3.5. All right. 1, 2, 3.5. So where did I end up? Aquí, right here. Okay. Plot the point, and that's going to be -1/2 or -0.5, 2. Perfecto. Perfecto. And that's it, chicos. Thank you so much for following all the videos, for watching all the videos. Like, subscribe, comment. If you do, chicos, to all my videos, there will be a surprise on Monday for you. Just the ones that do that. So thank you so much, chicos. I really appreciate everything. Now, the last song, chicos, I'm getting the YouTube saying, hey, like, careful with copyrights and things like that. So I'm not going to put a song, but I'm going to select a song. One that you would not think. La Macarena. La de Dale tu cuerpo alegría Macarena. So this is the 4th song. Thank you very much, chicos. And I hope you have an excellent day, excellent weekend. And let's keep preparing for our success. Bye-bye.